Traders, investors, what is going on? We are back. Kind of. I mean, if you're in the Discord, you know what's going on. You know, kind of changing life, work circumstances. I think I said in the last video, but, you know, just don't have the time to do videos like I used to anymore. Can't do them daily anymore. Sometimes I can fit them in on the weekends, but, you know, until further notice, the stuff and things is not going to be daily. I'm sorry. What is daily is I'm on Discord daily. I'm on Twitter daily. You know, so I'm in the mix. I'm just, you know, not making videos as often, so I'm sorry. Love you. But I got something for you today. I think you're going to like it. I think it's going to really help your trading. Now, let's jump in. So, three things. We're going to talk about links, we're going to talk about synchronization, and we're going to talk about templates on the active trader. So if you don't have active trader, you just click active trader over here, pops up. Make sure you go into your settings, you know, make it look like that, or make it look however you want. They got all these different options over here, but this is how I have it set up. What's most important is having order template selector. So if you got that in there, then you're going to have this option. You can go down here and hit trigger with brackets, and you can click in here. So you see when I click this, it goes from dollars to trail dollars to percentages. So this is going to allow you to input 3 orders at once. So let's hit play on the market. I got the puts open, I got the calls open. Now I'm just looking at SPY. I'm looking at the big boys, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Google. You know, SPY tracks these, right? Primarily. So we'll see what's going on. It looks like we're rejecting this level. So I got this trigger with a 15-cent stop, $2 profit. We'll get in. And so note that that one order put in 3. I got my sell stop there. I got my fill price, which is somewhere in there. And then $2 up is my profit stop. Now also note I can click and hold on this and pull it down. Kind of defeats the purpose of having predetermined risk, but you can move your stop if you want to. What you can also do is you can grab this link right here and move all the orders all at once. Same thing with the stop. Up here, the profit stop, you can move that as well if you'd like. But these orders are linked now. So I'll go ahead and move this up while I talk to y'all. That way I don't get stopped out for, you know, a loss. Move that right there, make a little bit of profit maybe. But I'm thinking that hopefully this catches down here, pre-market low and bounces. And so let's see, how do we do that? Now I have my chart synchronized already. You're going to have to do this. You got to go to here to the wheel on your chart settings. Synchronize crosshairs. If that is set, all your charts are going to be synced up. I don't know why this one isn't. It's set. Anyways, it's going to sync up your charts and it's going to allow you to do this. So now both of my stops are on the actual underlying equity. I need the put back. And so you'll notice if I move these orders here, the orders up here move. And obviously this is moving a little bit weird. They're moving in opposite directions as you would think because it's a put, right? So if I move the stop, it's going to go up. If I move the profit stop, that's going to go down, right? More money, down, put. Yes, probably would have been a better example on a call, but you get the point, right? So also really cool here, I got my P&L. So if you go into this little gear down here, customize P&L open, that's going to show you the P&L for your option, the contract, or where it's got to get to a certain price, or where it has to fall to get to a certain price, right? So we're going to head and close this out here. That didn't work because it's the on-demand feature, sell, and I'm out. Why is that there? The on-demand feature is a little bit funky. I mean, it works for the most part, though. So let's do another example just so you're getting it. I want to make sure you're with me. It's important that you're with me. Also, shit, let me backtrack. Links, forgot about that. So links there, you know, you pick your color, and that's everywhere. You know, it's here, it's on many charts. You know, you can do it on all sorts of things, right? But we're going to go to trade. And you've been seeing me right click and copy. Yes, you can do that, but you can also just hit send, maroon, and it changes. And obviously it's a little bit slow because it's loading on demand and whatnot, but you get the point. You know, really quickly you can flip between, you know, different contracts, or, you know, even if you just have different tickers on a list, you have it linked, you know, you have a watch list linked to maroon, you can click down that watch list and it'll, fly to your chart real quick. So very useful. Anyways, I digress. So we're at yesterday's price. Pretty solid. At a low, wicking a little bit. What's going on with these guys? Meh. So I want to try and go a little bit lower. So I'll get my template up. Scroll down here. I don't know. Like, what's 55 cents put us at? So that puts us around a pre-market low. So maybe I'll go a little bit lower than that. 49 cents? Oh, forgot my template. So there you go. So now, with the charts synced, I'm able to see if SPY can get down here, I'm going to get filled. Or if SPY can get up here, then I'm going to get stopped out, right? So it gives you, a certain level of insight that you wouldn't normally get charting options. I mean, charting options is huge in itself, but being able to overlay your orders on the underlying equity, now that is very, very helpful, at least for me. So anyways, traders, I think that's it. That's all the stuff and things. You got the links, you got the, the templates, and I mean, you got the results. I did this morning. It worked great. I wish my computer wasn't a actual baked potato. Got a new laptop on the way, though. Yeah, I made like $400 today. Bought those calls at 80 cents and sold most of them around 3.30. Pretty solid day. And that's it, traders. So I hope you learned something. I hope it's helpful. Hit the thing, do the stuff. Follow me on the stuff and things. If you don't, join the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one.